Hey buddies, welcome to Healthylicious Snack Time with Buddy. So today I'll be showing 3 types of mini lava cakes which is simple and easy to make. So let's begin. Take half a cup of dark chocolate which is about 100 grams and add 3 tablespoons of hot milk and mix it until it melts. So this is the lava which is common for all the 3 cakes, only the outer batter will differ. Now it's melted completely. Refrigerate for 10 minutes so that it thickens and will be set. Add half a cup of jaggery to a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then add half cup of warm milk to it and mix it well until the jaggery dissolves. So the jaggery is dissolved completely, and at this stage we'll add the dry ingredients. So place a strainer, add 1 cup of wheat flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder and sift it. Now combine everything together and mix it well. Now add half a cup of warm milk to it and mix it well until a smooth batter is formed. Now the batter is ready with thick pouring consistency. Now place the apple pan on low flame and brush with some melted butter. Now add little amount of batter to each mold. Now the molds are covered with batter. Now place the chocolate which we made at the beginning with the help of the spoon and make sure you place it at the center. Now the chocolate is placed at the center and now cover the chocolate with some batter. So now it's covered with batter. Now place a lid on it and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, with the help of a knife or a wooden stick, just flip it to the other side. Now everything is flipped and allow it for another 3 minutes to cook on low flame. So now our mini choco lava cake is ready and you can just transfer it to a plate. So our choco lava cake looks yummy from outside, and now we'll check how it looks inside. So if you just break it, the lava comes out. So our mini choco lava cake is done and we'll see the next type. So this is similar to first one with a small change, and I'll just finish it out quick. To a cup add half cup of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of melted butter and half a cup of milk and mix it well until it dissolves. So now using a strainer, add 1 cup of wheat flour and half teaspoon of baking powder. Now combine everything together and again add half cup of milk and mix it well. So only difference with this batter is that we are not adding any cocoa powder. We'll be just adding half teaspoon of vanilla essence so that it gives vanilla flavor. So now give it a nice mix to form a smooth batter with thick pouring consistency. Now again the same procedure, I have brushed the upper pan with some butter and kept on low flame, and now add some batter to each mold. Once the molds are covered with batter, just place the chocolate and then again add a layer of batter to it. And close with the lid and allow it to bake for 5 minutes on low flame. So after 5 minutes, just flip it to the other side and allow it to cook for another 3 minutes. So now our mini vanilla lava cake is also ready, and just transfer it to the plate. So now we'll check the texture, how it looks inside, and yeah, it looks very good. The lava is melted and the cake is well baked and looks yummy, isn't it? So we just saw the 2 types, and now the third type will be like combination of the first one and second one. So with the remaining batter, I just did this. So I just named it as mini choco vanilla lava cake. So I'm just adding a layer of chocolate batter to the greased upper pan, then add a layer of vanilla batter and then place the chocolate inside. After placing the chocolate at the center, just cover again with vanilla batter and then again with little chocolate batter, and close the lid and place it on low flame for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, just flip it and cook it for another 3 minutes. And now it's ready, and just transfer it to a plate. So I like this version very much, like it's combined all 3. So now we'll see how it looks inside, and you can see a layer of chocolate layer and layer of vanilla cake, and then the lava is inside. So it's really yummy. So I have showed all the 3 types, and now it's your time to try at home whichever you like. So little ones are always cute, and so is the mini lava cakes. So do try this simple recipe at home, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more upcoming videos.